Why should I buy Glanza? A very important question. When I have lot of other options in the market. Friends, let's see what's stored in the Glanza. Friends, Glanza, do you know the meaning? It has been derived from a German word which means Glanza and which means brilliance and radical. Better understanding of Toyota Glanza, I'll divide the video into 4 segments. First, I'll talk about the exterior of it. Then, I'll talk about the interiors of it. Third, I'll talk about the comfort and safety part of it. Fourth, I'll cover the technology what is stored in Glanza. The main reason which compels me to buy Glanza comes from because of brand Toyota. Toyota has a global presence of 203 countries. Coming to its Indian journey, it was started with a legendary products like Qualis, Fortuner, Innova, Altis, Camry. Because of all these products, Toyota has a very super positive image in the Indian market and well supported by its service team. In service, you get EN60, EN9. Then, friends, the strong punch which Toyota gives to its competition is standard warranty of 3 years, 1 lakh kilometers. Whenever you see a car from the front view, the first impression you get it is its LED projector headlamps. Glanza comes with a LED projector headlamps with integrated LED DRLs. What is the benefit of it? It enhances the styling quotient of it, also safety. Then it comes with a fog lamp. It will be benefit for you when you are driving in a foggy condition. Then, as it's a premium hatchback, to give a styling quotient, it has a Caterman edges to look wider and stylish. Then it comes with 2 slated 3D chrome grille. It enhances the premiumness, also it looks unique. It comes with a 16-inch alloy wheel with a diamond cut and the tire profile is 195 by 55 R60. Alloy wheel looks stylish and premium. Then it comes with a body color ORBM with side turn indicators. It looks stylish and it is also for the safety for the opponent people who can understand vehicle is moving left or right. Coming to the side characteristics of the car, as it's a premium hatchback, this you can see is a chrome belt line. It enhances that premiumness. Then if you can see the friends, this roof ABC pillar, it looks like a floating vehicle is stable, stagnant, but it gives that vehicle is on a move. Dimension of the car, length is 3995 mm, width it is 1745 mm, height it is 510 mm, wheelbase 2520 mm. The benefit of this wheelbase is it gives a lot of leg room. We'll see when we go inside the car. Talking about the rear styling of the car, it comes with LED rear combi light. What is the benefit of LED rear combi light is that whenever a driver applies a brake, rear car will know and they will also halt whenever there is a braking applies. Then coming to here, it is the rear chrome garnish integrated with reverse camera. Then you can find here reverse parking sensors are there. Then it comes with a rear demister with a defogger and wiper along with the washer here. This is the high mounted stop lamp. Whenever the brake applies, it will be eliminated here. Then there is an integrated spoiler. The benefit of spoiler is it enhances the styling. Also, it provides stability when the vehicle runs on high speed. Then there is a roof antenna for the better frequency. This is the boot space of the car. It comes with 339 liters. Friends, there is one provision here. You can do a 60-40 split shift so that you can enhance the boot space. I'll show you how. So you can see the benefit of 60-40 split shift. You can go flat. So when you have more luggage, according to your requirement, you can do it. Friends, the vehicle which we are shooting is the Glanza top end variant V variant. Glanza totally have 5 variant option combination of its transmission. So which I'll be sharing on the screen. Electronic power steering with steering mounted controls. Here are the switches for the if you want to increase the volume here, decrease, you can change the modes, you can do it from here. You can do a voice assist messaging or voice command from here, or if you want to receive a call here, or you can cut the call from here. It will be helpful whenever you will be connecting with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto function. That that is very beneficial for you. So here is the MIT screen of Glanza. I have already made a detailed video on the MIT settings of it. So I'll be sharing that link in the iLink so that you can go and look into it. Then coming to the interiors of it, it comes with a waterfall design. So it looks premium and stylish. See, when I'm saying premium, it shouldn't be from the exterior. It has to continue in the interior. Whenever I'll be sitting in, there should be a pride of ownership. So that gives me here. That's the second reason why should I go for a Glanza. Then coming to it, it comes with a 7-inch touch screen. It's a smart playcast. Here I can use this USB data cable to connect my smartphone with it, so that it will be helpful for me to either I can use Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. This is the function secret. So this is the main screen. This is media. You get the option for radio, aux, Bluetooth connectivity. This is the phone connect, whatever the calls you want to do. There is also a slot here. It will give average mileage or the reminder for it. So this is basically the function of Smart Playcast infotainment screen. That I like about Glanza is audio level or the audio quality. Friends, I'll just show you the make you listen the audio level. So it is like a second companion when I'm going for a long drive. It's like a soothing effect and gives me a relaxation when I'm doing a long drives. Because of its length and its for its wheelbase, Glanza gives efficient legroom. My height is 5'11". You can see how comfortably I'm sitting. That is the USP of Glanza, especially for the rear passengers. See, auto AC here, modes you can set. Once you set auto, automatically the blower will increase or decrease. Tilt and telescopic. So this is tilt and this is telescopic. So according to your height, you can do it. Along with it, it comes with a driver's seat adjustment manually. So my height is 5'11". I have adjusted according to my requirement. So according to your requirement, you can do it in both ways. Then coming to other comfortable things, then it comes with the electrochromic mirror. So during night times when it will be very beneficial. Then it comes with the other like auto LED projector headlamps. Automatically whenever the vehicle goes on any dark area, it senses the dusk, automatically it will blow the light or start the light. Then it comes with a follow me home function or car headlamp function. Follow me home function, what is the steps you have to do? You have to put the lever in auto mode. Before leaving the car, you have to tap it. Once you tap it, you get into the car. It will be illuminated for 30 seconds, 20 seconds. There is a setting has been given in the MID screen. So according to your requirement, you can do it. Coming to the Toyota's safety packages, it comes with dual SRS airbag for driver and co-driver. Then coming to the braking system, it comes with braking system of ABS with EBD plus brake assist. ABS means anti-lock braking system. It will not lock the brakes whenever you do panic braking. Along with that, it reduces the braking distance. The EBD, based on the vehicle's momentum, brake force will be distributed either into the front axle or rear axle depending on the weight. Friends, remember here, it will never distribute equally. It will always distribute according to the weight. Then brake assist. Brake assist is where I am driving a car, suddenly I apply panic braking, which means that how fast a driver remove his leg from accelerator pedal and press the brake pedal. It senses the time and it will enhances the ABS or EBD to compensate during the emergency condition. Apart from that, it comes with other safety packages. It's built on a philosophy of tech body, which means total effective control technology. So make sure that whenever there is a frontal collision or even impact happens, inside the cabin remains stable, strong, so that injury levels are low. Apart from that, there is a pre-tensioner seat belt and anti-submarine seats. What is the benefit of this type of seating is that whenever I apply brake, body doesn't move forward. It's stable, it holds like that. Then there is a speed sensing door lock. Once the vehicle reaches 15 km/h, all the doors will lock like this. And one more thing which I feel is very safety is that it comes with UV cut glasses so that it will protect me from ultraviolet rays. So these are the safety packages, you get it under the Toyota Glanza. Glanza comes with 1.2 liter BS6 petrol combined engine. Coming to the engine specifications, I will be sharing on the screen. I'll be covering is the transmission. Glanza comes with two transmission options. One is the 5-speed manual transmission, other is the CVT transmission. If you want to have fun to drive, definitely I will prefer a manual transmission. If you want to have relaxed driving with comfortable ride, then CVT is the choice for you. The next technology which I am going to talk about is the dual battery setup, which is available in Glanza G manual transmission. Here it is consists of two battery setup. One is the lead acid battery, which will be placed near the engine. Second battery will be placed near the co-passenger seat, below co-passenger seat. And it consists of three functions: idle stop start, brake energy regeneration, or torque assist function. Briefly, I'll explain how it works. First is the idle stop start function. Suppose I am halt on a signal, I'll put the vehicle on a neutral mode, remove my foot from the clutch pedal, vehicle will automatically go on a signal. That is idle stop. Now I have to activate the engine. I simply need to press the clutch pedal, engine will start automatically. This is the first function, it is idle stop start. Then when I put the vehicle in the first gear, then there is initial thrust is required. When lead acid level, lithium-ion battery is optimum charge, it will send power to engine with the help of ISG, integrated starter generator, or integrated starter motor, which assists engine in initial thrust. So that function is called as a torque assist. The third function is brake energy regeneration. Whenever the vehicle goes on a deceleration or applies brake, there is an energy release, that is in mechanical form or kinetic form. That will be converted into an electric form, and that will be stored either of the battery. Because of this, Glanza G manual retains a fuel efficiency of 23.87. If Glanza manual non-hybrid will give some fuel efficiency of 21.01 km per liter, or if it's a CVT version, it gives around 19.56 km. After going through the Glanza physically and driving the car and going through all the features, finally I got the answer why should I buy Glanza. And thank you friends for watching this video, and it's a request, kindly share it, subscribe my channel which is Cars Info, so that more and more friends share it to more and more friends. It gives an encouragement to us so that we can bring more videos like this. Thank you.